Hi, I'm John with Saddlepoint Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to put new rolls in your LAMI Revo-Office automatic laminator. The first thing we're going to do is turn the machine off. Power switch is located down here by the power cord. And then in order to get our old film out, we've got to undo these two latches. They take a little bit of force, and then lift up the hood here. If you come around here, you can see the cartridge that holds the old rolls. We're going to grab it by the two handholds and lift straight up, and the film's going to come right with it. From here, we take the top roll, you can grab it and slide it to the left and pull it out. And it's the same thing for the bottom roll. Grip it, slide it to the left, and pull it out. From there, if you've still got old film, some film on your rolls, you can save them for later. But we're going to change into new rolls. And these rolls come like this with the film taped down. So we're going to take this tape and just lift it up and off of here. And that way it doesn't stick to anything inside the machine. From there you can see each roll has different lips on either side. This one has a double lip, this one has a single lip. And on the cartridge you've got a symbol for the double lip and the single lip here. And that's so you know which way the roll goes into the cartridge. Line it up and put it in. It's going to go ahead and click in place. And the same thing for the bottom one. Nice thing about this cartridge is you can't actually put them in the wrong way. So there's no risk of getting glue inside the machine and no mess to clean up. Same thing, we're going to go ahead and just set that in and click it into place. And then this part's important. We're going to take the film from the top roll first and sort of pull it tight and make sure that it's aligned well on the edges of the rolls, and pick it up and drape it over the top. Again, keeping a little bit of tension so that it's a good alignment all the way through. And then the same thing for the bottom roll. We're going to find the edge here and just make sure the alignment is good on the edge, that they're not all slid around, and then pull that straight up and drape it over, and then we're going to align it with that film we took off the top roll. And get your edges lined well, and then drape it down and gently release it. Then you're going to grab your cartridge by the two handholds on the side, lift it up, and this also only goes in one way, which is neat. And just set that straight down until it clicks. You see the film already started to roll over. So you take your bottom level, your bottom strip of film, thread it through that gap in the machine out the back there. And take your arm and pull it through and make sure that it's got good tension on it. And then we'll take the top layer and put it through as well. At this point we want to keep it off the heat roller if your machine's been on recently, and just kind of angle it through, make sure it doesn't stick to the other film before we've got it aligned. So try and get it aligned as well as you can here, and then we're going to come around to the back of the machine and line up the two edges with each other. So that top film we've got to pull a little more. And then what I'm going to do is make sure that the film is lined up side to side, and we're going to go ahead and draw it out a little bit and make sure I've got that good alignment. I'm going to hold it with my right hand with my finger on the edge here so I can feel that both pieces are aligning. And then with my left hand I'm going to go ahead and close the machine, and then I can go ahead and take and put a little pressure down and then pull those two latches tight again. From there I can turn the machine on, and we'll wait a couple moments for it to heat back up, and we'll show you that that's all you have to do to change the film on this machine. The tricky part is just getting those film edges aligned. So it might take a couple of tries to get it right, but if it's not absolutely perfect the first few sheets, it will correct itself. So there's no real worry there. Again, you can see the alignment's nice here by pulling on them, and you see they're well lined up. And we're just waiting for the machine to heat back up. Alright, the machine's warmed up, so I'm going to hit start. And you can see it'll start to feed the film through. You just want to guide it along until it's sealed together like that, and then it'll guide itself. You can see the edges are nicely aligned, and I think that first piece is going to come out of there nicely. There you go. So that's all there is to the film change on the LAMI Revo-Office. If you'd like any more information on this machine or any of the products it uses, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you very much for watching.